Welcome to today's video where we will show you how to add a questions and answers widget in WooCommerce. Engaging with customers and addressing their inquiries is vital for building trust and providing excellent customer service. If you're looking to enhance your WooCommerce store by adding a questions and answers section, the free CusRev plugin can help you achieve that. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to add questions and answers in WooCommerce using the free CusRev plugin. Step 1. Install and set up the CusRev plugin. First, you need to download and install the free CusRev plugin on your WooCommerce store. Go to the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard and click on the Add New button. Search for CusRev in the search bar and click Install Now next to the CusRev plugin. Once the plugin is installed, click Activate to enable it on your site. Step 2. Access the CusRev settings. Once the CusRev plugin is activated, you can access its settings to configure the questions and answers feature. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the Reviews page in the left-hand menu. Click on the Settings to access the plugin's configuration page. Step 3. Enable the Questions and Answers feature. On the plugin settings page, you can enable and customize the Questions and Answers feature. Choose the Q&A tab. Toggle the checkbox to enable the questions and answers functionality. Configure additional settings such as reCAPTCHA, the count of answered questions, and reply notification preferences. Save your changes to apply the settings. Step 4. Add questions and answers. With the questions and answers feature enabled, you can now start adding questions and answers to your WooCommerce products. Open a product page in your WooCommerce store. Scroll down to the Questions and Answers section, where customers can ask questions and view existing ones. To add a question, click on the Ask a Question button. Fill in the required details, such as the question, your name, and email. Submit the question, and it will appear in the Questions section for customers to see and answer. To answer a question, click on the Answer button below the question. Provide a helpful and informative response to the question. Save the answer, and it will be displayed below the question for customers to see. Step 5. Manage and moderate questions and answers. As questions and answers are submitted by customers, you can manage and moderate them to ensure a positive and informative environment. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the Reviews menu and select the Q&A page. Here you can view all submitted questions and answers. Approve, edit, or delete them as needed. You have full control over moderation of questions and answers submitted by customers on your website. Step 6. Display Q&A section with a shortcode. By default, the CusRev plugin displays the Q&A section as a tab on WooCommerce product pages. However, if you are using a theme with a page builder like Elementor, it might disable the standard WooCommerce tabs and make the Q&A section invisible. To solve this problem, you can use a shortcode to display the questions and answers widget anywhere on the product page. First, you need to go to the Shortcodes tab of CusRev's plugin settings, enable the Shortcodes checkbox to activate them, and save settings. Next, you should scroll down to find the shortcode for questions and answers and copy it. Now you are ready to paste this shortcode in a desired location on a WooCommerce product page and verify that it is displayed correctly. Wrapping up. By using the CusRev plugin to add questions and answers in WooCommerce, you can foster customer engagement, address inquiries, and create a helpful community around your products. Following the steps outlined in this guide, you can seamlessly integrate a questions and answers section into your WooCommerce store, enhancing the customer experience and promoting trust and satisfaction. Get more with the Pro version. Did you like our free plugin? There is also a pro version available with even more powerful features. Check the link in the description below to learn about the pro version. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.